Hey guys, I'm Steph, and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today is all about eyelashes. I am trying out the brand new mascara from Huda Beauty, and this is the Legit Lashes Mascara. This is a new product at Sephora, and it retails for $27. Now, this mascara is a dual-ended mascara. You have one side that's going to provide volume, and this is the side they do recommend going in with first, and then you have the other side that is going to provide curl and length. Now, typically when I'm used to seeing dual-ended mascaras, and the ones I've used in the past, they've had a primer on one end and then of course the mascara on the other. So I'm really curious about this one, especially me, because I don't go in with 2 coats of mascara. I usually just do 1 coat and then call it a day. I'm really not even one to use an eyelash curler. I will from time to time, but it's definitely not something that I reach for every day. The shade I have in this mascara is called Very Vanta, which means extreme black, and I do believe this was the only shade available. I'll definitely leave that in the description box down below. I am wearing this mascara right now, so what do you think? How do you think it's making my lashes look? Just for reference, guys, I do have some good length to my lashes, and that's because I use RevitaLash, and I've used this eyelash conditioner or eyelash serum for almost 2 years now, and I also use RevitaBrow. So I've been trying to grow out my eyebrows for almost a year. Like, I can't wait to make an updated video on that because I definitely have a lot to say when it comes to growing out your brows and just brow struggles in general. But today is all about eyelashes. So if you want to see my review and 10-hour wear test on the new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara, keep on watching. All right, guys, so excuse the beanie. My hair is a hot mess under this little beanie, and that's because I've been wearing a cap all morning long. Let's dive into the reason why we're here, and that's the new Huda Legit Lashes Mascara. I have one that is for volume and one side that's going to be curl and length. Now, they do recommend to go in with the volume side first, and then to go in with the curl and length on top of it. So I don't have anything. I really didn't even put a lot of makeup on. It's like a no makeup day for me today. And I didn't want to put any eyeliner. I just wanted to keep the look really, really simple so that the mascara can really stand out and we can see what we're working with. So let me go in. I didn't even curl my lashes either. So this is the way they naturally are. Let me go in first with the volume side. All right, so that is just with the volume side of the Legit Mascara. Now I'm going to add some to my lower lashes as well. All right, that's only with volume on both lashes. So I feel like I could have gotten maybe a little bit more separation as far as my lashes go, but they look nice. I think it lengthened them as well. Like, it really defined the length of them. So let me go in now with the curl and define side. So I can see that it is curling, and that's what I like because I forget to use an eyelash curler. And I only have one, and sometimes I'm just too lazy to go get it. Now let me do the bottom. All right, this is the new Huda Legit Lashes Mascara using both ends of the mascara, volume and curl and length. What do you guys think? Let me go ahead and take care of the other eye. Alright guys, so both eyes are coated with this new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. What do you guys think? I think I have some major lashes going on. I think it's really defined the length that I naturally have to my lashes. And I think they look pretty good. I like that I didn't have any eye makeup on. I don't have any shadow to like take away from the look of the lashes. So that's exactly why I wanted to try this today, because I have a lot going on today. I'm actually fixing to go out and grill some food. I'm starving right now. So yeah, this is gonna be put to the test today. I'm definitely gonna be giving it a good 10-hour wear test. We're gonna see if it flakes under my eye area, if it rubs off. We're gonna put the Legit lashes to the test and we're gonna see what it's made of. So this is where I'll leave you guys. I'll be back to do some periodic check-ins throughout the day. Hope you guys have a wonderful Memorial Day, because it is actually the day before Memorial Day when I'm sitting down to do this wear test. I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, this is my 6-hour check-in wearing the new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. Let me pull you up real close. You can see that I have a little bit of fallout like right here, just a really small amount. And I think if I had like actual like concealer and powder on, I really don't think you'd be able to tell, but I think my lashes still look curled. I think they look long, they look defined. I think they could look a little bit more voluminous, but I really like the curl that I have to my lashes. And it's already been 6 hours, and I've been both indoors and outdoors, grocery shopping actually twice, and barbecuing and all that stuff. And I'm actually fixing to take a dip in my jacuzzi. So I'm not gonna wet my face. I don't expect the mascara to get ruined. I don't plan on getting any like water droplets on me. Let's see if it's going to be sweat resistant, because it is really hot outside. So this is how we're looking 6 hours in. I did get a compliment on my lashes when I went to the grocery store earlier, so that was good, because I was wearing this hat right here and I was wearing a mask, and so all you could really see were my eyes. And the clerk was really nice, and she gave me a really nice compliment on my eyes. So this is how we're looking with the new Huda Legit Lashes Mascara. I'll be back at the end of the day to give you guys my final check-in and my final thoughts on this new mascara. Hope you guys are having a great time, staying safe, and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, we have come to the 10-hour mark of me wearing this new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. It's a dual-ended mascara. One side is for volume, one side is to, what does it say, curl and length. So what do you think? Let me pull you in close. Don't look at my skin, because my skin's a hot mess. It's been a really busy day, both indoors, outdoors. It's been really hot. I was in the jacuzzi. But for having like a little bit of water splashed in my face, guys, this mascara, it didn't budge. It didn't smear. Minor little flakes on this side, like minor. And I was able to just like flick them away really easily. They didn't smear on my skin or anything like that. Now I like that I still have curl. I definitely have length, but remember that my own lashes, they have a good length to them. I do have separation, although I feel like they could be a little bit thicker, a little more voluminous. I'm still happy with the way they look, and I've even gotten compliments today. I like the way my lower lash line looks. I think that this mascara really does a good job, and I like the fact that it didn't get clumpy. It didn't get like a cakey mess. It looks really nice, and I'm not used to putting 2 coats of mascara on my lashes, and that's what I had to do today, because you have to use the volume side first and then you go in with the curl and length side. So I think Huda did a great job with this mascara. I definitely have lashes for days. These are definitely gonna stand out. This was totally the focal point of my makeup today, especially because I really didn't wear any makeup today. So I'm happy with it. This retails for $27.
at Sephora. If you're interested in trying it out, guys, I think you're going to like the effect that it gives your lashes. It is not waterproof though, so don't go dunking your face in a tub of water or go swimming with it or anything like that. I'm sure it is going to smear. But for my daily activities today, minor splashes of water that got on my face and just being in the heat and humidity, this really held up really well. So I will leave you guys here. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye, guys.